Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your general and kung anong meron pagdating sa love ngayong May. Okay? So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yes, pagdating sa ating mga items, so yung ating mga evil eye protection, meron akong pinost sa aking FB page about evil eye protection. So basahin nyo na lang kung hindi kayo aware kung anong meron pagdating dito sa evil eye natin. Okay? So meron tayong ring, meron tayong dalawang bracelet. So, ito yung adjustable. Ito yung garterized. So, pareho silang unisex. This is available in red strings po. No? Ito yung merong name. Yung merong initial ng magmamayari. Nilalagay namin yon. And yung ating necklace. So, yung necklace natin is ganito. This is unisex. Okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, yan. Pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And, syempre, pagdating sa mga connections, na ito yung pwede para sa'yo. Okay? Kung single ka, meron kang mga conflict na mga connection, may mga conflict na kung ano man, diba? Yes, pwede sa'yo ito. Okay? Siya yung magtatanggal, siya yung kukuha ng mga energies na kailangan mo pagdating sa connection, pagdating sa love. Okay? So, ganyan siya. This is 7 inches long mula doon sa lock. Okay? Hindi po ito hindi ito garterized, hindi ito adjustable. This is fixed 7 inches long. Okay? Meron siyang mga ganyang stones, heart shape, pero yeah, plus na lang yon. Okay? Kasi syempre, may gagawin tayo dito. Okay, and syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, yung taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest. Okay? So, hindi lahat ng minamanifest natin is para sa atin. Paano nangyari yun? Kung hindi kayo magka-level, hindi kayo magka-frequency ng hinihingi mo, then, kailangan mo talaga maghintay. Okay? Reality. And, syempre, kung hindi pa available yung minamanifest mo, mga gifts or mga surprises ang ibibigay sa'yo ni granter. Okay? This is unisex, hypoallergenic, okay, non-tarnish, and yeah, unisex. Made to order po si granter. Okay? Made to order. So, next, yung ating last is yung pang cord cutting. So, kung ikaw alam yung cord cut na sinasabi, so yeah, available po. No? And, yeah, cord cutting is pagkakat, pag-aalis ng mga energies na nakakapit pa sa'yo na hindi naman na dapat nandyan pa, na nakaka-apekto na sa'yo, sa pamumuhay mo, sa pamemera mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Mostly, ang natatanggal natin dito is mga energies ng mga ex. Traumas, mga ganun. Okay? So, sabihin natin, pinapabitaw natin yung energy ng taong nakadikit sa'yo. Okay? So, yun lang. Anyway, let's start the reading for you, Aries Placements. Again, kung may tanong, message lang po, ha? And yeah, don't forget to follow yung akin pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay? So, yeah. What's for you in general this month of May? For the month of May, anong meron for you, Aries Placements? Okay. Let's see. King of Pentacles reversed. Yung mga walang work, may chance na magkaroon ng work. May chance na mayroon babalik sa pagtatrabaho ngayong May. Okay? May opportunities pagdating sa work. Yung mga walang work dyan. Okay? May mga babaguhin. Some of you, you'll go pagdating sa, sabihin natin, sa gym. Nakakuha ko ng something like energy pagdating sa fitness. Okay? Some of you. Okay? The Lovers. Okay. So, may chance ng partnership in general. Excuse me. Ngayong May. Pasensya na po ha. Hindi pa nawawala yung ubo ko. Talaga. Okay. What else? Meron ditong mag-step up pagdating sa connection or relationship. 9 of Chalices. Excuse me. So this is wish fulfillment. Energy of wish fulfillment, energy of healing, happiness. Okay, the 9 of Chalices. The 5 of Swords. Okay, so meron ditong something na pwedeng magbibigay ng confusion. Kasi, yung energy is like leveling up. Energy pagdating sa may mga babaguhin. Okay? So, it's like a challenge for me. For some of you, there's these challenges na pwedeng darating ngayong May, pero sa pabuti, sa pa-okay. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. So, may chance na may dala itong confusion or, a lot of questions, parang ganyan. Mga what ifs, mga ganyan, doubts, if ever. Okay, so I think some of you, may paparating na magandang blessing ngayong May, pero nandyan yung doubts mo. Okay, nandyan yung mga pag-iisip. 2 of Chalices in reverse. Okay, some of you, there's a blessing in disguise. Ako nakikita. Okay, so some of you may chance na pagiging single ngayong May kasi pwedeng may mga tatanggalin si universe na hindi mo naka-frequency. If ever may mangyari pong separation ngayong May, I think that's like a blessing in disguise. Okay? A blessing in disguise. So, don't try to fight it, no? Don't try na i-fight yung current kung anong meron. Okay, kasi sa pabuti to, I think. What else for Aries ngayong May? 3 of Swords in reverse. Ang lakas ng energy ng healing for some of you. The 3 of Pentacles. May mga mafi-fix when it comes to work, school, career, business. Okay? May mga mafi-fix. Some of you, this is like an energy of legal issue, legal matter. Okay, there's this like opportunity na mag-open. Okay, door of opportunity for some of you. So, may chance na kung sabihin natin parang daraan lang to. Okay? Daraan lang. Kung ano man to. This is general. Parang kung hindi mo mapag-focusan, parang isang beses lang na dadating itong oportunidad na to para ma-fix mo yung isang bagay na kailangan mong ma-fix ngayong May. So, merong opportunity ngayong buwan na parating para maiayos mo yung mga kailangan mong iayos. Okay? Kasi kapag ginrab mo to, andun na yung parang tuloy-tuloy Pero kung palalagpasin mo to, I don't know kung anong meron. Okay? The 7 of Pentacles. Some of you, you're waiting for this. You're waiting. Empress in reverse, 4 of Swords. Some of you, if this is talking about a connection, may chance na pwedeng may ma-fix. Okay? May magstay. Pero dun, ito ay para doon lang sa mga sabihin nating isang beses pa lang nangyari yung hindi maganda. Okay? Kasi kung paulit-ulit na to, this is like the right timing for you na gumawa na ng decision on your own. Some of you. Okay? So there. So ano naman ang meron? Energies naman pagdating sa love ng mga Aries. Anong meron? Love. For Aries placements ngayong May, anong meron? Oops, anong paparating? Okay, there's this opportunity of fast. There's this new connection coming in and this is fast, no? Parang sobrang bilis. Anyway, so tingnan natin. Okay, the Sun in reversed. Hindi mo akalain. Ano to? The Nine of Chalices in reversed. The Lovers in reversed. Some of you... Yeah, the Ace of Chalices. If you're healing right now, may chance talaga ng new connection na paparating. Kaso nga lang, iba sa inyo hindi pa talaga ready. Pero may darating ditong something like genuine connection ngayong May. So, sana hindi masabotahi lang or masayang. Okay? Some of you, nasa isang connection kayo na hindi na okay. There's this codependency. It's like, kailangan ko lang magstay. Kailangan ko magstay dito kahit hindi na okay. Strength. This is one-sided. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. So, mayroong mapoprolong na separation. Excuse me. Ngayong May. May mapoprolong. Like, kailangan na maghiwalay pero sige, i-go ko pa rin to. Nakaka-drain to, Aries. Six of Swords. Four of Chalices. It's like, okay, aasa ako dito na may mangyayaring maganda. Pero, while you're expecting kung ano man yung ine-expect mo, para kang nagsasayang na lang din ng oras. Oras, effort. Okay, love. Parang ganun eh. Kasi nandun yung takot. Nandun yung sadness. Some of you may chance na gumawa ng way. Makipag-usap yung iba. I'm seeing and hearing closure for some of you. You'll get a message from a Leo, Gemini, Air, Water. Could be any sign. Unexpected message coming from somebody na nagkaroon kayo ng codependency. Okay? So, what else? What else? Seven of Chalices, may bumabalik. May magbabalik. Could be a water sign. May magbabalik. Why? The Hierophant in reverse. Wala silang mahanap na tulad mo. And I think the familiarity, isa na yun kung bakit sila magbabalik. Yeah, the Queen of Wands in reverse. Wala silang mahanap na iba. Okay. So, kung ito i-welcome mo, nasa lower frequency to. Okay, kung i-welcome mo, and you're doing good naman na, bababa ka. Bababa yung frequency mo kung i-welcome mo to. Okay? Some of you, may chance na bumaba. The Hierophant in reverse. We don't like that. We don't do that. Okay? So, kung gusto mo na bumalik tong taong to, kung open ka for pakikipagbalikan, huwag kang bababa. Hayaan mo sila yung umangat. Hayaan mo sila yung parang humabol sa energy na meron ka. Kung wala ka namang ginagawa ngayon, and feeling mo wala namang masyadong pagbabago, that's another reason why kung bakit sila magbabalik. Kasi you're both in the same frequency level. Okay? Yeah. The Two of Chalices in reversed. So, ayaw natin, no? Ayaw natin na ganun at ganun lang din naman niya, the magician. Yeah, I think this person is manifesting you, or maybe you're manifesting this person. So, you're manifesting a bato na ipupukpok sa ulo mo ulit. Like that. Okay? Oo. So, Page of Pentacles in reverse. Wala naman ako nakikitang energy about stepping up, leveling up pagdating dito. Kung sino man to magbabalik na to. Okay? Some of you, you're manifesting this. Sa totoo lang. And yeah, may chance na makuha mo ngayong May. Kung sino man itong minamanifest mo. Whether past person man ito or a specific person. You don't do manifesting pagdating sa specific person. Okay? So, may mga tawag dyan, explanations pa about that. Kaya hindi natin kailangan gawin yon. Okay? So, yeah, the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is healing. Ten of Swords is ending. Ten of Swords is backstabbing. Sana healing na lang. All in all, kailangan nyo ng healing. Okay, kailangan nyo. Hindi naman natin sinabing yes, totally na magiging healed ka. Mahirap yun eh. Okay? Pwede naman sigurong pumasok sa isang connection while you're still healing and alam mo kung paano panindigan yung sinasabing healing. Okay? So, mahirap yun. Yeah. So, energy sneaking back, the cheater, the liar. Some of you may mga ganyang magbabalik. Okay? Ang dahilan is they're just like afraid. The familiarity. Okay? So, yeah. Yun, ang akin nakikita. So, tayo tumungo. Tayo ay tumungo sa all signs. Yeah, hindi ko gagawin yung the person on your mind. Maybe separate video. Okay, so pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. So, all signs, Aries through Pisces. Aries. Hindi pa rin okay. Still, many fixing. Oo, na kailangan pang mangyari. A lot of fixing. Taurus, a new beginning. Pero, I'm seeing here sex. No, some of you, there's this energy of makeup sex with a Taurus. Gemini, they're letting you go. Cancer, they're unstable. They're not ready. Leo, feeling the missed opportunity with you. Some of you, there's this energy of third-party involvement. Virgo, they're not available. They're saying no, or maybe you have to say no to this Virgo. Libra, no focus at all. Wala na doon yung passion, wala na doon yung energy about effort. Ayaw na niya. Yeah, in general, ayaw na ni Libra. Scorpio, feeling, yeah, I think that there's this mutual feeling pa rin with this Scorpio, even though some of you nasa separation kayo. Okay? Still feel the connection. Sagittarius, they're player. Capricorn, acceptance, energies na pwedeng tinutukoy ay changes. Okay? Aquarius, ayaw na ng pakikipagbalikan, ayaw na ng another chance ni Aqua. Pisces, they love you. They really, really love you. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.